So this is the last video in our little exercises about using text in Photoshop. So let's make another new document. Go to Create New. Go up here to the top, press Web, Web Most Common, and then go over to the right and type your name. And this time just put text. And make sure you're on a white background. Press Create. Once again, you can do Control plus to zoom in. You can use the space bar as the hand to move your window around. The workspace that we're on is Essentials, and we have to make sure that we have character and layers. Both of those need to be checked and open. Alright, so let's get our text tool. Click over here, and I want you to just type the sentences that I'm typing. Alright, and then press the check mark. This is to help you remember where you edit your text. It's window, character. That's where you can edit text. So let's go over here and change the color of our font. So pick another color that we haven't used yet. Say OK. And let's make this 125. Oh, that's a little bit too big. Well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 125. And then you can learn how to do like a return. So click in your sentence and press return. And then we need to fix the leading on this because it's too close together. So let's go over here to leading. Now remember what I said before, the size of your leading should be at least the size of your text. So let's put in like 130 so it's a little bit bigger and say OK. And the last thing I want to show you on this before we end this series is how to make your text left justified or centered or anything like that. So notice how when I have this text tool selected, up here on the top there's these three icons with lines. If I put it in the center one, let me move this to the middle. If I keep it on the, back to the text tool. If I keep it on the middle one, it makes my text centered. If I click on the left, it does left align. If I click on this, it does right align. So let's put it on centered like that. So yeah, I want you to type the sentence, edit text with window character. I want you to put a return after the word with so that window character is on a different line. And I want you to center it. All right. And when you're done, just type your name and click on the check mark. And we're going to make the size 36 for our name. We're going to get the move tool, move it to the bottom right. Alright, so this is what your last text document should look like. Go to File, Save, and it's going to make it a PSD, which is a Photoshop file that has layers so that you can edit your file. Press Save, OK, and then once again, File, Save As, and you're going to choose JPEG, because this is the file that you're going to put on your Google Slide portfolio to turn in for a grade. Press Save.